We got a 1/4 inch of rain last night, and the Dungeness River is healthy and happy. All the leaves are gone from the trees. It's not that cold here today, though. Canyon Creek, the last of fall colors. Somebody's coming. This guy's not sure.
Oh, we know who it is.
These dogs know each other.
Aye.
Heron's there, and Skye knows it. Oh, here he goes. She wants to get those salmon from the backside. Freedom.
A little bit of freedom. There she goes.
So pretty in here, covered with leaves. As they brown up. Another tree's down. This is new. Another tree. Wow, there must have been some winds in here. This one looks like it was a healthy one. Glad we weren't here when it was that windy. Back out to the river along this eroding bank. This guy's in a hurry. She wants to hunt for salmon. Well, I should say chase them. There's an eagle up in that tree. This guy's in the river, rather deep there, Skye. She's so wanting to chase salmon. She thought that riffle there was a fish. This is as adventurous as I've seen Skye. In a fairly full river. The eagles are getting a little nervous. Skye, come back. That's a little weird. No more room to go. Well, she made it back. Getting closer to the waterway that goes up to the adult pond. Fishermen. 2. This is where Skye wants to go. Chase some salmon if she can find them. Oh. And they're in there. Oh, there goes one. I don't think barking at him is going to help, Skye. Oh, there we go. Oh, the poor fish. She's getting her exercise. Oh, poor fish. Let him go. There's several waiting here to get past that fallen stick. Herd them upstream, Skye, into the pond. That's where they are supposed to go. I don't know what prevents them from going on. I guess that stick. This guy's gonna make it. Not as beat up. Yep. No problem there. Make a run for it. Wrong way. I didn't think she saw Skye actually bite one of the salmon.
Yes. And then the salmon stopped.
Well, she's not eating them. All right, Skye, come on, that's it. Now, time to take a break. Those salmon have already been on a long, rough journey. And this is at the end of their journey. That's how nature works. Sorry, guys. Rocks are a little slippery here. There's some dead carcasses in here, but none that are swimming. Huge. Split in the middle. There's that recently fallen tree again. To the fir tree. Up, up, up. Another colony of mushrooms or fungus, like the base of those trees. Hey, Skye, come here. Come. I can't go that way. Come. You jump. Up, 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 jump. Okay. Back through the sword fern jungle. To the giant cedar forest, or grove. Out to the ponds. The smoke pond is a netted pond where the fish, the salmon, are left to be fed and grow up to be mature. Oh, there's the heron. Here's the adult salmon pond. This is where they end up after they come up that waterway. Oh, Seagulls stirred them up. Natural instinct, they think of eagles after them. It's good. She's strong. Are they jumping because of Skye? Wow. Black with salmon. Pull us over. Sorry guys, this is the end of the line for you. Wow, it was not easy getting her away from the salmon. I'll take her.